The CDC today said fully vaccinated Americans can gather indoors with others who've been fully vaccinated without a mask or any social distancing. Ainsley Daniels covering our top story tonight. Ainsley, this is welcome news for a lot of people.
Absolutely, Josh. The overall theme of everyone I talked to today was excitement and hope, especially for the future. But one local health expert says that those who have been fully vaccinated still do need to wear a mask in certain situations and should continue to be cautious.
That's why I wanted to get the shot. It's one of the reasons, so, you can get your life back, for crying out loud.
The CDC's updated guidelines giving the go-ahead for those who are fully vaccinated to gather together without a mask is exciting for those who have received the last required dose of vaccine at least 2 weeks ago.
My wife and I have been to 34 states over the summer. We have another trip planned to go out west, and now we feel comfortable doing it.
Fully vaccinated people can also gather with unvaccinated people from another household without a mask, as long as no one in that house has an increased risk of the virus.
I'm hoping more and more people will volunteer to get vaccinated. So I think as soon as we do that, as soon as we'll be back to normal and can do, like go back to football games, concerts, basketball games, things like that people enjoy going to.
Both Sandsbury and Fagan are fully vaccinated and are both looking forward to traveling. But one health official says some things should be considered before ditching the mask just yet.
The criteria to consider is whether those people are at risk or not. In larger group settings, out in public, it's important for everyone to wear masks, even those who've been vaccinated.
While Wyckoff calls Monday's update good news, he says there is still a lot to be learned about the vaccines. And when in doubt, wear a mask.
It is possible for someone who has had the disease or had the vaccine to become infected. It is also possible that someone who is naturally immune might still be able to spread the virus. We simply don't know.
The CDC also says that if someone who is fully vaccinated comes into contact with the virus, they don't have to quarantine or be tested unless they have symptoms.